Good evening, dear friends. The unicorn spirit wants us to see the light within ourselves and in everyone around us. We must trust the magic of the universe and open our heart to spiritual love. We've been through a whole lot and we are starting to see clearly now. And trust there's good news coming your way. There is heart sore, a little bit of heartbreak over things we've lost in the past, and this is making us reflect on the past. But we are reflecting with a forgiving, loving, kind attitude. We're not angry anymore. Um, a forgotten promise will be fulfilled. Be patient. They say you've stepped out of your comfort zone and the world is your oyster. There is something coming your way that you're not expecting, and you must trust your intuition. It's your greatest strength. Basically, it's telling you, I don't have to tell you, you can feel it already, something's coming. Follow your own light and trust that the world is awaiting you. Your grandparents want to say hi. They are still very close to you, your ancestors as well. And they say just stay in gratitude and love and be the peace. Someone is coming into your life soon. There is an end to a lot of situations and new beginnings, and there's good fortune awaiting us. We're on the road to happiness, we're almost there, and persevere, and you will overcome your problems. And they want us to focus on the here and now. Have a lovely evening, everybody. I love you all.